Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video in which we will talk about the EU AI Act which is now in effect and understand that how you can manage this regulatory framework on our platform and automate the entire AI workflow. AI regulation is no longer a future concern. The EU AI Act has made AI compliance a real business requirement for organizations that build, deploy, or offer AI systems in or into the EU. What makes this act important is that it moves AI governance from general discussion to operational responsibility. It is no longer enough to say that AI is being used responsibly. Organizations now need a structured way to understand risk, maintain oversight, and improve accountability. That is why the EU AI Act matters so much. It turns AI governance into something that has to be actively managed. At the core of the EU AI Act are three big ideas. First, AI systems are judged based on risk. Second, transparency and disclosure matter. And third, human oversight and accountability cannot be skipped. So, for businesses, the question is not just whether they use AI, it is whether they can classify the use case properly, explain how it works, and show that the right controls and oversight are in place. This is where the challenge begins for most teams. The EU AI Act compliance gets more complex with manual efforts, disconnected evidence, and scattered workflows. Teams need to understand which AI systems exist, what those systems do, where the risk sits and controls apply, and how evidence will be maintained over time. Without a structured workflow, that process becomes fragmented across spreadsheets, policies, screenshots, and manual follow ups. And once that happens, AI compliance becomes much harder to scale. This is where Controllo fits in perfectly. Controllo includes the EU AI Act inside the platform so teams can automate the compliance process instead of managing it manually. The Act requirements and controls are already mapped. Evidence and policies are linked in one place, and progress can be tracked in a much more structured way. Teams can also add AI systems and do their risk management with a simple toggle based system to manage AI specific risks. So instead of handling the EU AI Act readiness through disconnected documents, teams can operationalize the framework directly inside Controllo. And with Secura, Controllo adds an AI powered layer for faster gap assessment. A control validation that often takes 25 to 30 minutes manually can be reviewed in under a minute. Secura helps evaluate evidence against the control requirement, identify likely gaps, and reduce the effort needed for manual review. That means teams can move faster, surface issues earlier, and save significant time while building the AI compliance maturity. The EU AI Act is a clear signal that AI governance can no longer stay informal. Organizations need practical ways to automate the EU AI Act and stay ready as expectations continue to grow. Controllo helps make that possible through one connected workflow. So if you want to know more or get a free trial, do connect with us. Thank you.